Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Name the pathogen that causes typhoid. Salmonella typhi. Name the pathogen that causes pneumonia. Streptococcus pneumonia, Haemophilus influenza. Name the pathogen that causes common cold. Rhinovirus. Name the pathogen that causes malaria. Plasmodium. Name the pathogen that causes amoebiasis. Endemoeba histolytica. Name the pathogen that causes ascariasis. Ascaris lumbricoides. Name the pathogen that causes filariasis. Wuchereria bancrofti, Wuchereria malai. Name the pathogen that causes ringworm. Microsporum trichophyta, epidermophyta. Name the vector that spread malaria. Anopheles mosquito. Name the vector that spread filariasis. Culex mosquito. Name the pathogen that causes AIDS. HIV. Name the infective stage of Plasmodium. Sporozoid. Name the toxin that is responsible for chill and fever in malaria. Hemozoin. Name the lymphoid organ which is larger at the time of birth but later reduce in size. Thymus. Name the lymphoid organ which acts as the site of formation of blood cells. Bone marrow. Name the lymphoid organ which acts as the site of change of immature lymphocytes to antigen sensitive lymphocytes. Primary lymphoid organ. Name the lymphoid organ which acts as the site of interaction of lymphocytes with the antigen. Secondary lymphoid organ. Name the lymphoid organ which acts as a filter by trapping microorganisms. Spleen. Name the lymphoid organ which traps the microorganisms that enter through the lymph. Lymph nodes. Name the lymphoid organ in small intestine. Peyer's patches. Name the lymphoid organ which is located near the heart and beneath the breastbone. Thymus. Name the lymphoid tissue located within the lining of respiratory, digestive and urogenital tracts. Malt. Name the immunity which is present at the time of birth. Innate immunity. Name the immunity which is acquired after birth. Acquired immunity. Name the barriers of innate immunity. Physical, physiological, cellular and cytokine barriers. Name the protein produced by virus-infected cells. Interferons. The response shown by our body when it encounters a pathogen for the first time. Primary response. The response shown by our body when it encounters a pathogen for the second time. Secondary response. Name the immunity which is pathogen specific. Acquired immunity. Name the lymphocyte which produce antibodies to fight with the germs. B lymphocytes. Name the lymphocyte which help B lymphocytes to produce antibodies. T lymphocytes. Name the proteins produced by our body against antigens. Antibodies. Name the types of antibodies. IgG, IgA, IgM, IgE, IgD. Name the immune response mediated by B lymphocytes. AMI. Name the immune response mediated by T lymphocytes. CMI. Name the immunity in which antibodies are produced by the body. Active immunity. Name the immunity in which ready-made antibodies are injected into the body. Passive immunity. Antibodies received through placenta. IgG. Which antibodies received through colostrum? IgA. Name the vaccine produced from the yeast by using rDNA technology. Hepatitis B vaccine. The exaggerated response of the immune system to certain antigens is called allergy. The substances that cause allergy are called allergens. Name the antibody produced against allergens. IgE. Name the chemicals that cause allergy. Histamine and serotonin. Name the test used to diagnose AIDS. ELISA. Name the test used to confirm typhoid. Vidal test. The uncontrolled multiplication of cells resulting in the formation of tumor is called cancer. The property of normal cells in which contact with other cells inhibit their division. Contact inhibition. The property of normal cells which is not seen in cancer cells. Contact inhibition. The spread of cancer cells from one part to another is called metastasis. The tumor which do not spread to other parts. Benign tumor. The tumor which spreads to other parts. Malignant tumor. Give examples for plants with hallucinogenic property. Atropa belladonna, datura, erythroxylum coca. Give examples for medicines that are abused. Barbiturates, amphetamines, benzodiazepines, LSD, morphine. Which plant produces opioids? Papaver somniferum. Which plant produces cannabinoids? Cannabis sativa. Which plant produces alkaloids? Erythroxylum coca. The psychological attachment to certain effects of drugs and alcohol is called addiction. The tendency of the body to manifest an unpleasant withdrawal syndrome if the regular dose of drugs or alcohol is discontinued. Dependence. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe the channel for more videos.